When I go like this, I get a click,
Okay.
and I don't have any strength to
Okay.
go like that.
Okay. You know what my professional opinion is?
What?
Don't go like this and
Oh,
don't
don't
go
do
like that. Right? If it hurts, don't do it. All right, have a seat. I'll work on you.
No, it's coming from there, I think.
Gotcha. Okay.
Okay. We have to make this good.
That's right.
There you go.
Okay. Yeah, so you got a lot of muscle spasm in through here. Okay, look to your right and look to your left. Okay, look straight ahead, tilt to your left, tilt to your right. Yeah, you're all jammed up right there.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Look this way a little bit more. There we go.
It feels so good.
One more. There we go.
That was a good one.
Just no crying or anything on camera. Okay?
Yeah, did you hear that pop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Let's take this shoulder, bring it back up like this.
That hurts.
Squeeze, squeeze. Good. All right, put your hand on your hip, like that. And push your elbow forward. Now push back hard as you can. There it goes. Okay, now face down.
Okay.
How's your back been feeling?
Very good.
Good. Your feet are nice and even. Just a little bit off on this left side. You feel it right through there?
Mm-hmm.
Breathe in and out. All right, turn towards me, lay on your right side. There we go. And take a deep breath in and out. Oh yeah, here we go. Good. All right, on your back. We'll loosen up your hips. Just get it all done today.
Oh, good.
There we go.
Well, I've been gone for the week.
I know.
I missed you.
There we go. Okay.
Oh, look.
Snap, crackle, pop.